Hi everyone, this is Mike. I'm here in Saint-Tropez at the beautiful Côte d'Azur at the windsurfing school La Moon. It's an established windsurfing school. They've been windsurfing for 20 years. I'm looking for Yves Jean to teach me how to windsurf. I need a lesson in windsurfing. Where is he? Yves Jean, where are you at? Ah, here he is. How are you, buddy?
How are you?
How is it going?
You're welcome. You're welcome. What do you want to do?
Hey, listen. I'm a beginner. I would love to learn how to windsurf.
Yeah?
Do you think you can show me, like in a couple minutes, you show me the basics of windsurfing, the equipment I need, kinds of winds, and all that kind of stuff? Can you help me with that?
Yeah, in a few minutes. Yeah, I try. Very
okay.
quickly. All right.
So, okay, great.
Okay. I just prepare for you a board on a simulator in the water.
Okay.
You see that? Look at it. It's a very big board.
Okay.
Very wide one.
Okay, so that's a typical beginner board. Has to be long, has to be wide in order to be stable. Okay,
Yeah,
if I'm a beginner, I'm not going to go on a short fun board. That kind of stuff won't work for me. I need a very long, wide, so stable, so I can stand on it, so you can show me all the tricks. Excellent. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to show you the basic moving.
Okay,
Right?
I can't hear you. Can you speak up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. All right. Here's the board. A wide one, a very small sail. I put a rope in the middle just to show you how to start on a windsurf.
Okay.
All right. You are on your board. You keep the mast between your feet. Close your feet
Okay.
together on the axis. All
Okay.
right.
Always the mast between my feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
To be well balanced. Okay.
Okay.
You bend your knees.
Okay.
Take the rope here, and you
Okay.
pull on the rope, but very gently.
Okay.
Very gently. Don't be aggressive. You do that. First time, you have to be well balanced. If you pull on the rope, you're unbalanced, you're going to fall in the water.
Okay, I understand.
Take your space
Okay.
between you and the mast. Take
So
your
first
space.
thing to remember, pull on that rope really slowly,
Yeah.
lean back, okay,
Yeah.
no rush
Bend your
movements.
knees. Keep your arms like mine. Okay, have the space between you and the mast. Okay, first time, you have to be well balanced. Second
Okay.
time, you have to use the mast to change direction. If you move the mast that way, look at my board.
Okay.
My board turn. Okay, I move the mast to the opposite side. My board is going to turn to the opposite.
Okay, so to
Alright.
change direction, either to the right, pulling to the right, or pulling to the left.
It was the
Okay.
second exercise. The third one, you have to turn around 180 degree.
Okay.
The front is here. I'm going to move the mast. And
Okay.
my board is going to turn under myself.
Okay. Let me ask you, do I push on the board with my feet as well, or just turning the mast and the board will turn?
Just move the mast and do small steps. Small
Okay.
steps around the mast. Look at
Okay.
it. All right. Okay, it was the third exercise. And now, you have to be able, before to want to take the boom, here is the boom, before to want to take it, you have to keep your board perpendicular at your sail. And to do that, you see the mark, the black mark here.
Okay.
I put the mark under the sail, perpendicular at the axis. When you're
Okay.
like that, the front of your board is going to show you a target, a ball.
Okay.
You see the
Okay.
yellow ball. You have
Okay.
to look at it, and you have to go to the ball. You take your boom, front hand, second one, and now, for the direction on the windsurf, if you move your boom down the water like that, if you move it down, you'll turn into the wind.
Okay.
If you lift it up in the
Okay.
sky, you'll turn to the opposite.
Oh, I understand.
Down and up to change direction, all right? And for the speed, just you have a flapping in your sail. You have no speed.
Okay.
Just pull to stop the flapping with your finger. Pull on it to stop the flapping. It's enough. Don't too much.
Okay.
Flapping. I pull on it.
Okay, so to
Speed.
gain speed, I pull it towards me.
Yeah.
The sail.
Take speed. Slow down. Take speed. Slow down.
Oh,
Move
okay.
down to go into the wind. Move up. If you
So
have no target-
pulling on that, it's called the wishbone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so pulling on the wishbone gives me power, okay, and releasing it depowers. Okay,
Alright?
I understand.
And now when you have to turn around, you take the rope again, you turn around, but before to take your boom again, you have to keep your board, it's very, very important to keep your board perpendicular at your sail. And
Okay.
now take a target. The front of your boat is going to show you a target. For the moment, the yellow boat on the beach, I look at it, I have to go to this way. If my boat don't want to go, I have to control with my boom. Down to go into the wind, up to go to the opposite side.
Okay.
If you don't look forward, you'll never know.
Okay, Yves Jean, the most important thing to remember in the beginning is lowering, like high, low of the mast. Is that correct? Is this the most important thing I need to?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. Huh? Down and up, and just don't pull too much on yourself.
Okay.
You have to just to stop the flapping, nothing else, and have a target.
Okay.
Perpendicular, take a target, go to your target.
Okay. So let's start over again. So from the water, I get on the board my legs centered around the mast. Okay.
Okay.
Grabbing that rope, pulling it slowly towards me.
Exactly.
Okay. And then very important to remember, lowering and like pulling on releasing that rope a little bit.
Perpendicular.
Okay.
Target. Look at your target. Take your boom. You have to go to your target.
Okay.
If you don't go to your target, you have to adjust your boom. Down or
Now,
up.
Yves-Jean, if I come to your windsurfing
Yeah.
center and would like to book a lesson, how many lessons do I need in order for myself to get on the water, to be confident on the water? How many lessons do you think?
No, but you're sure after 1 hour, after one lesson, you'll be able to start and to come back yourself.
Okay,
Okay,
on my
you
own.
do
Okay.
one lesson one time, and second time you just rent a board, and it will be okay.
Okay.
And we will tell you some advice.
And
if
do
we
you
need some
have
advice.
do you have a website?
Yeah. Just lamoon.com.
Yes. Okay, so it's LAMOUNE, lamoon.com.
Yeah.
Well, I will find you. Okay.
Okay.
And the windsurfing center is open from May to September. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct, Mike.
Okay.
Correct.
And it's very close to Saint-Tropez Center.
Exact. 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Okay,
Yeah.
excellent. Well, listen, Yves-Jean, thank you so much for the lesson.
Yeah, you are welcome.
And I look forward
everybody.
to seeing you next year here at Lamoon Windsurfing Center in Saint-Tropez. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye bye, Mike.